机小课堂。
Hello everyone. Have you missed me? I am your good friend Flinny. Today, I bring you a new machine introduction. The floor deck forming machine. Floor deck. A material widely used in the construction industry. It is used for permanent formwork support of concrete floors in multi-story or high-rise buildings and participates in structural loading. The video shows the Kazakhstan version of the machine, which has fully automatic feeding, profiling, and cutting processes. Material thickness range 0.61 to mm. Shaft material 45 steel. Transmission speed 15